Welcome to Upstarburst. In this video, I am going to show you how to boost audio volume on PC. Same method applies to Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your Windows PC speakers are too quiet and you want to make them louder, do this. In search, type Store, click Microsoft Store, search FX Sound. Click this app, install it. Once it's installed, click Open. From right side, choose correct audio device. And from the menu on the left side, select Volume Boost. And make sure it's on, not off. You can also adjust clarity, ambience, and other properties from the equalizer. You'll find a noticeable difference in volume now. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.